So I got to do some thinking of what I really want to do here. That's kind of what I came up with there. Well, that's supposed to be a little, I don't know, I might make this, I thought about, I do have a piece of this stuff here. I thought about coming up like, you know, like so. You know, I don't know. I mean, this is gonna look really crappy now, but now I'm also thinking about this. You know, when I made this, I made everything basically off of this. So I got it like this, and now I got these, which roughly, you know, it'd be real nice if I would have had these to begin with. I could have just mounted them like that. And I'm in debate on what to do here. That puts it, I think it was 2 inches. I'd have to measure to be sure, but I mean, to tell you the truth, but I think it's 2 inches. And I don't know, I'm in debate on whether to just cut this off, you know, and mount these up here. But then, you know, these belts are not that cheap, and I would have to do something. I'd either have to get another belt or something, you know, to shorten the belt, because I'd be raising this here pulley up. You know, with this pulley being down here, it used up whatever, and then if I'm gonna raise it up 2 inches, I'm thinking it'd look a lot better if I just did it this way though. You know, and, you know, just lengthened this out to, you know, to there. Or go ahead and, I don't know, put something like, make it like this. Yeah, I'm probably going to do something like this. You know, maybe take a piece of like this square pipe, notch it out to fit over this here thing right like that, and put it in there like so. And then, I don't know. I think that's probably what I'll end up doing. That'll look probably pretty cheesy, but then I don't have to try the belt. You know, to me, the metal's cheap. I can get, like that piece there, it's 9 pounds, so that's pretty near free. If I just went in there to get that, they'd give it to me. So I'll probably, what do you guys think? If I just took a piece of square pipe, did it like this. It's kind of hard. I'm going to try to do it one-handed. Yeah, if I just did it like, well, it wouldn't, you know, I'd notch this out a little bit, but I think I'd look too god-awful bad. I think that's what I'm going to do. But I'm waiting on my dang drill to charge up, and so I'm done. I'm tired. I drilled one hole and for this here piece, and I'm done now. I'm gonna buy some I found some at Lowe's. I think it was Lowe's. Some DeWalt batteries. There's 2 2-amp batteries and 2 4-amp batteries for like $150. That's pretty cheap. And they came with 2-amp batteries anyway, and I've had them for several years, so I'd be able to use the 2-amp batteries till they wore out and have some 4-amp batteries to fall back on. But what do you think? You think this would look too cheesy? You know, notching that out, you know, like so. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. That'd probably look god awful, but that's what I'm gonna do. Kind of like that. That looks like shite. But I don't want to rebuild it all. And tell me if you guys want to see me. I'm going to build another one of these. This one mainly is so I can get out in these ditches and these areas that I can't get down into. And then I'm going to make another one where it just is setting in the center, because I have another little problem that I didn't realize with this one. I made that other mower, you know, it just raised up and down and did pretty good. And this one picks up and down really good. But with this bar hanging clear out, it puts this in a little bind like so. And so it binds these up too. So it makes it harder to slide up and down. So I think I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to redo this right here. I think I'm going to find me some, I don't know, like some alternator bearings or some sort of bearing, something, and put some bearings in here so that it has like little wheels or something. I don't know what I'm going to do. Just because I'm lazy. I want to be able to pick this up and down while it's outstretched, and I don't want to have to get off and up and down. But So I might have to change this a little bit. I'm also thinking about welding in a little bar right here. So it's just this, maybe a little 1/4 inch bar. So these run on a 1/4 inch bar, or make these little wheels. But if I made this, I don't know. Right now I'm just worried about this. Well, not really worried about it, but, and you can see I got some water in there. So I need to drill some holes throughout here to keep that water from building up. But yeah, I think that's how I'm going to do it, guys. Just like this, I believe. You know, I don't know. Do you guys think I'd look too cheesy? You know, basically just be in there like this. You know, then I don't have to change my belt, because they're like $20, you know. And some free metal and some little bit of cheesiness looking. It might be a little, I don't know, a little nicer. I think that's what I'm going to do. Put that in there like that and so forth. Plus these things are a little wider and so forth. So my, wherever the heck my little bar thingy went, I don't know where the heck it went. Oh, here it is. My little bar. I'm gonna have to make another little bar, because it's gonna be like a 1/2 inch too short. I got a few of these things ready to melt if I ever get that going. Made another little box for my 4-wheeler. This is kind of a nifty little box. Check this out. I still need to use a cord, but put these little bolts in there. These things flop up like this. You know, make another little box. I can use my little cord, run it through here to hold it in there, and it won't fall out. But I don't know. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Let me know what you think. You think I look too well, really, I guess it really wouldn't matter. By the time you guys make a comment, I'll be probably working on it again. But it'll save me a belt. And then, do you want to see me make the one that we're just mows right in the middle? Basically, all I was going to do is, it'll be kind of semi-difficult, but I'm just going to use 2 more of those and just make a frame, so I'd have to undo a motor each time I wanted to use it. But that's, I guess, some of the problems with implements. If I even do it, to be honest with you, this will work fine for me. But, so I'll probably just leave it and then just do those little things so it'll pick it up and down easier. Any ideas on what you think would work there, you know, besides, you know, putting in little, you know, like an alternator bearing, you know, putting it in so it rolls up and down. I could make a whole different thing probably, but whatever you think there. But that's where I'm going to go. Let me know, and love you all. Hope you all had a great and awesome weekend. And sorry, this is probably pretty shitey video, but that's what I got for you. Love you all. Later. Oh, I guess I could say morning, but hello everybody. Let me turn this down. Oh, YouTube does not like hearing songs in the background. So you can see I've got my sickle-bar mower in. Last I let off, I mean, it's been a while since I worked on this thing. I mean, I kind of finished it and then didn't get to finish it because this here deal right here locked up. And if you've been following, you know I've got some other bearings to be able to replace these things right here. So what we're going to do is, I went ahead and took off all the shield and all the crap, and you aren't gonna be able to see it, but dang, I almost can't, from about where my thumb is, I can't. I mean, it's kind of hard to move that little end of my finger because look what was in the dig dang cover. Freaking wasp. So, and I got stung only once at least. I think there's maybe only one wasp, I don't know. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm be taking this thing off here and getting this tore apart. That's what I need to do, is get this tore apart. And then I'm going to make, I don't yet know what yet, but excuse me, I'm going to make like a little jig, something so I can keep these holes lined up this way because of the belt. Now I can always lift this up if I get it too far away, or push it down if I get it too close. So, but the plan is just to stick a bar in there and weld something up that says, I don't know. We'll see what I can come up with. But anyway, I'm gonna start taking the rest of this apart. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. You can see this was free. It's actually stuck right here in this middle one. The outside ones are free, but I'm not gonna mess with it because, knowing my luck, I'd try to, I don't know, hone this out somehow, and I don't know, ended up not working anyway. But I got me, when I was making that, oh crud, metal furnace on the fans, I bought I don't know which ones, but I bought a couple bearings. And I bought them from some color, I don't know, probably can't, maybe you can see all that. But anyway, they treated me really good. I mean, it was really good. These weren't that expensive. I think I paid, I can't tell you, because I'd be like lying or something. I think I paid like close to 40 bucks for, you know, 4 of these ones, and maybe only 2 of these ones. Or no, I think I got 4 of each, I think is what I got. Yeah, because I used 2 of these on the fan, and then I had these 4. But here's the plan. As you can see, you know, I either can mount them like this or like this, and I'm going to try to decide how I want to mount these. They're about, I haven't measured them or anything, so I don't know where I'm at, but so I don't know yet where, how, or what I'm going to do here. But I'm either going to mount them like that or like this. It doesn't look as though it's going to be all that bad. You know, but I just have to cut. Well, I'll probably end up doing just cutting this whole thing off right here, and then not worrying about it, and just cut it off and build a, maybe even cut it off back. I don't know yet, but basically just make something new here. And then on this one here, I don't know how strong these are, to be honest with you. So I think I'm just going to use them both and stack them together like that. I think that would definitely make them a lot stronger. I don't know if I need to, but these normally go flat on a surface like this, and there's no twisting motion. I mean, this might not work even with it anyway, but you know, figuring out how to mount them in here somehow, like that. Now I'll probably end up having to make a new little shaft thingy, because I'm thinking this will end up getting a little wider, but yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. Like I said, I'm gonna probably make some sort of jig. I don't know what yet, how or where. Maybe on this side, take a piece of metal and come out with a hole so I can put a bar through it or something, so that I can line them up. You know, maybe on both of these or something, but I don't know. That's where I'm at.